para you could add namin sa pool of yung mga interested buyers po.
Tanong ko lang kasi po, kasi halimbawa yung mga units na foreclosed, bakit kailangan pa mang reservation fee, ganon mga, kasama pa ba yan kahit na, tapos same price pa ba sa brand new house na kukunin o kasama yung reservation fee?
Actually, sir, we have three modes of disposal, no, of the properties. One is the first public auction. Pag hindi siya mabenta, proceed tayo sa second public auction. At pag hindi nabenta, yun yung tinatawag namin na negotiated sale. For the two auctions po, we do have a requirement of at least 5% down payment po yan talaga. No? But on the negotiated sale, 1,000 pesos lang po yung ating requirement para magkaroon na po kayo ng bahay, regardless of the loan value. So, kailangan po talaga natin yan. So 1,000 lang naman po. So, halimbawa, mag-loan kayo ng 2 or 3 million, yun lang yung ating pinaka-requirements. Of course, syempre, dapat pag-ibig member po tayo.
Bakit kailangan magbayad tayo ng reservation fee na kukuha naman tayo agad?
Actually, sir...
Hindi naman tayo nagpapareserve, diretso nakakuha.
So, maybe you're referring to kung cash purchase po, sir, outright, no need to pay for the reservation or yung processing fee. Yung reservation kasi na term is slash processing fee po yan. Yung ating processing fee is 3,000. But if you are referring, if you will be purchasing through cash purchase, wala na po yung reservation or 1,000 pesos na sabi natin. Pwede na po, diretso po yan, outright, whatever the selling price. And our selling price is the current appraisal or the appraised value. No? So at par po yan siya sa lahat ng mga financing institutions.
Next question na, halimbawa mayroon akong titled lot, commercial, pagkatapos pwede ba yan may loan sa Pag-ibig magpatayo ng building for commercial purposes?
No, it's actually, ang purpose po ni Pag-ibig is for residential. Residential po tayo kasi that's what we want to address. The housing needs, the housing backlog of so it's for residential po.
Pero kung yung building, ma'am, na gusto niya na gawin, ipang-renta din niya as residential, gagawin niya parang condo type or apartment type as for that purpose.
If it's apartment po, iba po kasi yung condo kasi that's already a building eh. Pero meron po tayong mga residential na parang apartment type or duplex. Yung po, pwede po yun. By the way, sir, if you would allow me, since you are a group of media practitioners here, there is a program po, yung group sale namin. I mentioned it earlier, if you will register as a group, okay, you can get, during the negotiated sale, you can get as much as 45%, 40 at 10 million, no? So if makabili po kayo ng total na 10 million, you get as much as 40% discount. Ibig kong sabihin po, for example, for this first month, January, ang bumili lang po is isa. Ang 1 million, the next month may 3 million. Hanggang kung kailan kayo aabot, let's say by April, naging total kayo, 10 million gross. Right, Piox? Gross to, no? So 10 million na ang value nung, let's say, 10 property na nakuha ng iba't ibang tao na miyembro ng grupo nyo. Bibigyan kayo retroactive ng 40% discount. So, maybe that's something you can look into it. So, ito po ay ino-offer namin sa mga employer, mga empleyado ng isang certain employer. So, marami na pong kumukuha ng ganyan. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.